Now, the news after being summoned by the CBI as part of the Karur Stampede investigation, TVK Chief Vijay was questioned for over 6 hours by the central agency. According to CBI sources, the actor-turned-politician is set to be summoned once again, but only after Pongal. Sources say that Vijay had sought time for the next round of interrogation, to which the CBI has agreed. But sources also told NDTV that in his interrogation, Vijay shifted responsibility of the stampede onto the district administration and stated that he left the venue early in order to avoid any ruckus or chaos. Tejashree has been tracking all the finer developments for us. She joins us live at the moment. Tejashree, as we are given to understand, Vijay was grilled for over 6 hours by the CBI. He's denied TVK's role in the Karur Stampede. Tell us what exactly happened in these 6 hours.
Well, absolutely. Let me first of all tell you that it was 11:50 a.m. when he reached the CBI headquarters, and the questioning began at 12 afternoon, and thereafter there was a break, lunch break of 1 hour. But in these 6 hours of questioning is what we are picking up from our sources is that several questions were asked, but the main focus during the interrogation was on why there was a delay and who was actually responsible for organizing that entire rally. Even if it is within the party, then who was that individual? All such questions were asked to him so as to get a sense about how this entire incident occurred, which in fact resulted into the loss of 41 in life of 41 individuals, and in fact more than 60 people were injured as well. Now in fact CBI needs to be seen that when he will be summoned again, because he has stated that there was a lot of possibility that he could have been summoned on Tuesday as well, but now he will be summoned after the festival of Pongal as requested by actor-turned-politician Vijay.
Right, Tejashree, thanks so much for joining us with that update. We'll of course revert to you on clarity on what date that will be.